Abusado kayo na sila. Abusado. Hindi mo hindi dapat ito.
Ayaw mo.
Wala lagi wala.
General, good morning, Raul po. Ano pong,
What is the law and what is the crime that I committed? So you have to answer now for deprivation of liberty.
Alam niyo ba na hindi man lang siya na-serve kung anong kaso sina-charge sa kanya ngayon? Hindi niya alam. Sumusunod tayo sa isang entity na hindi na tayo member. Nag-withdraw na tayo. And yet, sir, you are the prosecutor general.
Yes.
You know how to exercise due process. Before you can even file charges, you have to file a complaint. We have to file a counter affidavit without doing those procedural process. Here we are, being issued a warrant of arrest, questionable warrant of arrest. Ano naman po, sir?